What's up, guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And today's project is this Coleman PowerMate generator. And if you saw my last video, the on-off switch wasn't working properly. And if we take a look next to the air filter, we can see the back of the switch. So let's remove the air filter and the housing and take a good look at the switch. The top wire goes to the ignition coil to shut it off, but there's supposed to be one more wire going to the middle prong. I guess we'll need to make another replacement wire then. To help us make a replacement wire, you can get this terminal set from Harbor Freight for several dollars, and less if you use a coupon. This piece of wire is actually meant to help hang pictures, but with some terminal ends on it, it's going to be our new grounding wire. I'm going to attach this end of the wire to the middle prong on the switch, and the other end should go somewhere on the engine, preferably metal. I'll drill a hole here and put a sheet metal screw and then attach that end of the wire to it. And before we put it all back together, let's start it and test out the switch. More than likely, this piece of wire here was misplaced when it was taken apart to be fixed. This isn't a usual occurrence for these generators. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.